Hey guys, it's Kim from Runaway Homestead. My daughter called yesterday and told me about this sale on chicken breast that she saw, and it was at a butcher shop about 40 minutes away. It was 40 pounds of chicken for $40, so $1 a pound, which is an awesome deal. It's like half off of what I buy normally, so I just about couldn't pass that up. So there was a limit of you could get 3 cases, which was 40 pounds per case. So I was planning on getting 2 and using one for myself and also splitting one with my daughter. So I was going to get 60 pounds of chicken and she was going to get 20. So once we got there, we were going to get there like an hour before they even opened. And a half a mile away, traffic was already stopped. So anyway, by the time we got there, they were down to limit 1 case per person, per vehicle. And it was a drive up, pay, and they put it in your car and you left. So there was no going in. It was cash only. So you just drove up, gave them your money, they put it in your car, and you left. So my dad and I decided to take a drive and go get some. So last night I was trying to figure out what to do with 40 pounds of chicken. I think I'm going to can a lot of it just as canned chicken, and then can some chicken soup, and then I'm probably gonna pound some out and freeze it for grilling. So yeah, so I guess I'm gonna head to the kitchen and get busy. They thaw out pretty fast and they cook up really nice on the grill. Well, I got 18 jars, pint jars of chicken breasts canned up, 7 jars of chicken soup, and 12 pounded out chicken breasts ready for the grill. Well, it's a beautiful day. The birds are singing. And I think I'm going to get outside today. That was a lot of work, but I think it was worth it. I so appreciate my daughter letting me know about that sale. Because it added a lot to our pantry. Thanks for watching, guys. You all have a beautiful day. We'll see you on the next video. Bye.